Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how you can catch the mythic crocodile in fish eats. So this predator is one of the toughest catches in the swamp biome, and you'll need a specific rod and bait to get this one. And for the location, you can get this crocodile inside the sacred temple, and for the exact location, I got the crocodile from these locations in here. So this is where I got the crocodile, and for the road, I'm using the ghost fin roads with coral bait. So that's the exact spot and the road that I use to get the mythic crocodile in fish it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.